Want to make sure your squads are up to date in EAFC 24. Whether you're playing online or offline, keeping your teams updated is key to staying competitive. Let me show you how to do it in just few simple steps. By default, when you launch EAFC 24 while connected to the internet, you should get a prompt to update your squads automatically. If you have enabled this option, you'll all set. But if you need to update manually, here's what you do. First, ensure you're connected online and signed into your PlayStation Network, Xbox Live, or EA account, depending on your platform. Next, from the main menu, move your cursor to the upper left corner by pressing left on your controller. Then press X on PlayStation or A on Xbox to enter the settings menu. Inside settings, go to edit teams and open the submenu. Look the lower right corner. You'll see an option to download updates. Simply select it and let the game do its thing. Wait for the download to reach 100%, and that is it. Your squads are now fully updated with the latest rosters. Keeping your team fresh has never been easier. Want to improve your game? Check out your FC24 best formation and tactics guide for the top meta setup. Also, if you're looking for the best controller for FC24, we have got you covered. Links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hit and bell icon for more quick and easy kick guides. See you in the next one.